One of the most popular Korean stories is definitely 춘향전. For example, it's a romance, a story about forbidden love. 춘향 is the heroine's name, which means spring fragrance. The story probably reminds us of classical love stories like Romeo and Juliet, but luckily, it's not a tragedy.
As an example, we can look to the artist Dorothy Lee, who brings her deep training in Korean rituals of traditional dance, music, and shamanism into conversation and collaboration with contemporary Western art, and in the work that she produces, she illuminates cross-cultural ideas of identity, politics, nature, and spirituality.
It is recorded that the king of the Goryeo dynasty had its best painters begin painting scenes from the Chinese poems about the 8 views of Xiaoxiang.
During the Joseon dynasty, the Korean dynasty that lasted from 1392 to 1910, literature, music, paintings, and dances criticized the upper-class lifestyle and hypocrisy. Moral improvement is a long-standing focus in Korean philosophy, and art has been and continues to be an important tool for both individual and societal moral improvement.
Now, perhaps K-pop stars like Psy, BTS, or Blackpink stimulated your interest in Korean music or pop culture, but recently came to recognize Hallyu, which means Korean wave, and understand that Korea has a long and rich cultural tradition.